Our project's called the 8 Primates Project, partially because we're studying all 8 primates here at the Tambopata Research Centre, but also as a nod to a classic study published in the 1980s called 5 New World Primates, which put the Peruvian Amazon on the way to becoming one of the great epicentres for monkey research. We're lucky here at the centre because the monkeys have had contact with visitors and scientists for 25 years or so they're very relaxed around us. At the moment, we're doing a lot of work on bioacoustics or wildlife sound, following the different monkey species with microphones. But the main goal isn't to investigate monkey communication itself. What we're doing is using the sounds that the monkeys make to detect them in the forest. It's about finding ways to survey monkey populations as efficiently as possible, covering as much of the Amazon rainforest as we can. Monkeys in the Amazon are threatened by hunting and habitat change, and studying the distribution of monkeys can tell us a lot about the state of conservation in the forest. We monitor monkeys and other animals by placing remote audio recorders through the forest. Hundreds of these recorders listen all day for months and pick up the sounds of all species that pass by. This generates thousands of hours of recordings, and we can't possibly listen to it all, so we're training computer algorithms to do it for us. Training computer algorithms takes hundreds of sample recordings, all painstakingly labelled by species, and that's why we're spending a lot of time with directional microphones following the monkeys. When you put the headphones on and get your aim right, the sounds are really amplified and isolated from the background. It's an amazing way to experience the sounds of the forest. The next step is to get our remote surveys out to wider areas where conservation is really needed. But the Amazon's so big that we can't cover the whole forest with our remote recorders. Fortunately, people everywhere have mobile phones these days, and local people and visitors from around the world are keen to help us monitor wildlife. So we're developing a way that will let people use their phones to collect 1-minute audio samples wherever they are and send them to us. The app will tell us the location, the time and the date, and it will represent a snapshot of the species around at that moment, at that point. We can work out a biodiversity score for each place that we can compare across the landscape and monitor through time. Recordings and results are shared with the managers of protected areas in Peru and with any research groups that can use them. More broadly, it's part of a bigger picture that we call the Bioacoustic Landscapes Project. The same methods are used across the world to collect and archive records of biodiversity without specific expertise or great expense. So it's a global citizen science movement monitoring wildlife sounds, and we're really excited to see some of the first really large-scale results coming from Tambopata. We're really proud to have so many people involved with all our Wild Amazon projects, whether they're recording our 8 primates with researchers or sending us audio samples from wherever they are, or even just reaching out over social media. It really lets us know that what we're doing is really worthwhile, and it keeps us working hard.